guys, it's Jay with iCar-STL.com, and today we're here with the 1988 Toyota Supra Turbo. If you love 90s Japanese cars, hit that subscribe button. If you love this car, give us a thumbs up. We work with 3 different lenders to help bring your dream car to your driveway. All of our lenders are listed on our website under the Financing Options tab. You can fill out an application online and have an approval in as little as 24 hours. Let's quit wasting time. Let's take a walk around of this 1988 Toyota Supra Turbo. It is powered by a 3-liter inline-6 turbo. It shows 54,966 miles, and those are confirmed miles according to Auto Check Report. It shows 3 owners with no accident history. It has new tires. It has been repainted in its lifetime. There is a little bit of overspray on some of the stuff, and we'll go through that when we walk around the car. It is 100% factory and 100% stock. It runs, drives, and ships incredibly. This is a true collector car. Let's go ahead and take a walk around of the outside. We'll jump in the interior, show you that the windows roll down, locks work, all that stuff. And then we'll take it for a drive. Let's get started. Starting up front, this is the MK3 Supra. It has the pop-up headlights, which makes it one of my favorite, even over the MK4. The fogs have been yellowed out. You can see a little bit of overspray on the rear lip down there. The hood paint is flawless. It does have a scratch going up the hood here. Black is starting to fade off on the cowl and over on the driver's side. That is a common issue on these Supras. Wheels, I would rate probably a 7 out of 10. Tires are all brand new. You can see the black starting to flake on the windshield trim. It is a brown tint window, which means that this is probably a factory window. Has a rock chip there. No dents or dings on the top. Down the side here you can see all the black trim around the windows. It's all starting to flake off. Doors, no dents or dings. Has a mark here. And a mark here. Rear wheel, I'd say 7 or 8 out of 10 on that one with a new tire. You can see a little bit of overspray here on that. Rear spoiler looks good. No issues with the rear window. Turbo emblems on. Toyota Supra emblems on. Factory exhaust. A little overspray there. Whoever painted it probably, well, before we got it, they didn't tape it off very well, but it is what it is. Car looks really good. It is a collector car. Collector quality for sure. That's probably the worst wheel in the bunch. It's got a little bit of mark here. Pop-up headlights, and they do work. We'll pop those up. You can see on this one here, it's starting to. Everything else looks really good though. Let's put. You can click just one click, and they stay up. I think I got the parking lights on. There we go. which will show you all the lights work and all that, but just wanted to show you that you can click and have your headlights stay up on these cars. So, starting the passenger side here. It has the original blue interior with the original blue Supra floor mats. Dash is free of cracks, which is very, very unusual in these cars. Doors are all there. Everything's there on the doors. Seats, really good shape. No owner's manual. I do have new blue of that, and a new, this one here will be rewrapped. So, factory radio, automatic transmission. This is your sport suspension. You can either do sport or normal. That's your power or ECT. On your automatic, your shift points. Rear seat, very clean. Ashtray back here. Doesn't look like it's ever been smoked in. Car does not smell. Steering wheel does show some wear, which is very common on these cars. You can see a mark there, and it's starting to get a little sun dried up there. On the turbo Supras, you get a boost gauge right there. On non-turbos, that will be a volt gauge. You got fogs, you got cruise, and rear defrost, and a coin tray right there. Windshield washer, or headlight washers right here, and hazards there. Your air conditioning here. The AC does not blow cold. It is R12, I believe, so it's a little harder to find to get it filled up. This is power windows and locks, and lock. Windows work. Let's actually, let's pop the trunk here. You got your trunk and your fuel gauge down there, or your fuel tank. Trunk. Spare tire. Tools. Very clean back here. Pop the hood. Where's the hood at? There it is. Has the factory cover there for the hood. Here is a 7M GTE turbo, twin cam, 24 valve, 3 liter, 100% stock. Fairly clean. Let's go ahead and do a cold start on it. Cold start time. Muffler cold. Lights work. You can see headlights. Oil pressure. the fogs work. Yep. Work. Fogs work. Lights go down. Window. Window. Mirrors. Mirrors. It does have adjustable lumbar and all that works too. So let's go ahead and take her for a drive. All right, let's take her for a drive. Goes into drive. Put my seatbelt on. The vent going. Second, it's just really good and smooth. Drives good, straight. Brakes feel good. See the boost. Builds the boost, gets moving. Shifts good, nice and smooth. Really smooth car. So if we do take trade-ins, so if you have a trade-in, just go to our homepage under the trade-in section, hit that button, fill out that form. We'll get you a valuation. You can trade in a car towards a car. Try to be open and honest about all the cars we have. So if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at the number listed below, or you can shoot us an email over. Very smooth car, very nice driving car. Quite a time capsule here. Starting to get up to temperature there. You can see oil pressure is still looking good, even with temperature up there. So this is the drive and the video of the 1988 Toyota Supra Turbo. Thanks for watching.